Crypto family, welcome back to F&S Millionaires. Stop guessing, start charting. Today's video is your full market map using the latest daily candle and 24-hour stats we just pulled for our watch list. Not financial advice, educational only. Charts are probabilities, not promises. One macro headline, one Bitcoin level, one alt that could move. Macro headline, global tension headlines are still shaping risk mood across markets. Bitcoin level, the breakout ceiling is still the mid 74K area. Alt that could move. Zcash just printed a huge impulse into the 250 zone, so volatility is on the menu today. Here is the world news effect, simple and useful. First, geopolitics. When global tension rises, money often gets cautious. That usually shows up as faster sell-offs, faster bounces, and sharper wicks. Crypto does not wait for tomorrow's newspaper. It reacts in real time, and that is why you see more violent moves around headline risk days. Second, inflation and rates. This month has 3 dates that can move crypto even if you never watch the news. Friday, March 6 is the jobs report. Wednesday, March 11 is CPI. Tuesday and Wednesday, March 17 and 18 is the Fed meeting. When traders expect tighter policy, liquidity gets cautious. When data cools, liquidity relaxes. And crypto usually loves liquidity. Third, regulation. Stablecoin rules still matter because stablecoins are the plumbing of crypto. When rules change, it can affect exchange liquidity, on-chain activity, and the appetite for yield products. That can shift sentiment across the whole market. Fourth, ETF flows. This is one of the cleanest sentiment gauges we have for Bitcoin. When flows are positive, dips tend to get supported faster. When flows are negative, rallies tend to get sold quicker. I do not trade flows alone, but I always respect them as background fuel. Now, before we hit each coin, let me give you the one thing that makes charts work. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. A daily chart is a vote. One candle is a single day of crowd psychology. Support is where buyers defended before. Resistance is where sellers defended before. A trigger is what must happen for a setup to become real. An invalidation is what must happen for you to admit you were wrong. That is the difference between trading and gambling. Gambling is hope. Trading is rules. In this video, every coin gets the same treatment, trend. 2 key levels, a trigger and invalidation. And I will tell you the exact line I need to see at the daily close. Okay, let's chart. Bitcoin price is about 73,259. The 24-hour range is 67,515 to 73,953. This is a strong green day. Trend, impulse up. Buyers defended the 67.5K zone and pushed back into the 73 to 74 ceiling. Level 1 support, 67,515. Level 2 support, 68,000 as a psychological number, even though it is above the low. Level 1 resistance, 73,953. Level 2 resistance, 75,000 as a psychological magnet. Trigger, I want a daily close above 74,000, not just a wick, a close. If we close above 74,000, the market is telling you continuation is on the table. Invalidation, a daily close back below 7,500. If we lose that, momentum cools and the market likely hunts lower liquidity. Practical takeaway, today is bullish until proven otherwise, but I will not chase the top of the range. I want confirmation at the close. Ethereum price is about 2,048. The 24-hour range is 1,948 to 2,093. Strong green day. Trend, reclaim rally. ETH squeezed upward and is now testing the top of the range. Level 1 support, 1,948. Level 2 support, 2,000. That round number is real on ETH. Level 1 resistance, 2,093. Level 2 resistance, 2,250 as the next overhead zone. Trigger, a daily close above 2,200. If ETH closes above 2,200, it tells me the reclaim is follow-through. Invalidation, a daily close below 1,948. If it breaks and accepts below 1,948, the move risks turning into a pop, then fade. Practical takeaway, ETH is strong today, but the chart still wants proof. Close above 2,200 is that proof. Solana price is about 92.38. The 24-hour range is 85.02 to 93.71. Strong green day. Trend, range expansion up. Buyers defended 85 and pushed into the 93 to 94 ceiling. Level 1 support 85.02. Level 2 support 80 doer as the deeper defense zone. Level 1 resistance 93.71. Level 2 resistance 100.00, the magnet. Trigger, a daily close above 94. If it closes above 94, SOL often accelerates because traders see open space to 100. Invalidation, a daily close below 85. If SOL loses 85, it slips back into chop and the clean trend disappears. Practical takeaway, SOL is close to its range high. The close decides if it is breakout or rejection. Zcash price is about 249.35. The 24-hour range is 215.89 to 249.77. That is a massive impulse day. Trend, vertical impulse. Big move from the low 200s to the 250 ceiling. Level 1 support 215.89. Level 2 support 205 as the deeper floor zone. Level 1 resistance 249.77. Level 2 resistance 257 as the next upside checkpoint. Trigger: a daily close above 250. If we close above 250, that confirms continuation and keeps momentum traders engaged. Invalidation: a daily close below 216. If it closes below 216, the impulse fades and mean reversion risk rises. Practical takeaway: when a coin moves this hard, your job is not to chase. Your job is to wait for structure. Either hold support and consolidate, or reclaim and continue. SUI price is about 0.9739. The 24-hour range is 0.8954 to 0.9859. Another strong green day. Trend: recovery leg. Buyers held the 0.895 base and pushed toward the 0.99 ceiling. Level 1 support, 0.895. Level 2 support, 0.83 as the deeper reset zone. Level 1 resistance, 0.986. Level 2 resistance, 1.00, the magnet. Trigger: a daily close above $1. That is the breakout signal for many traders. Invalidation: a daily close below 0.895. Lose that, and the trend weakens fast. Practical takeaway: SUI is one good close away from the $1 headline. Let the candle close first. Alt rapid fire, clean and fast. One line per coin with price, trigger, and validation. ZBCN ZBEC network. Price: 0.002186. Range: 0.002006 to 0.002204. Key idea: it is leaning on the ceiling. Trigger: close above 0.00221. Invalidation: close below 0.00200. ZBCN ZBEC network. PZBCN ZBEC parrot. Snapshot around 0.000438. Microcap, high volatility. Trigger: reclaim 0.00045 and hold. Invalidation: lose 0.00035. Rule: if liquidity dries up, do not force trades. DOT polka dot price 1.54. Range 1.51 to 1.57. Trigger: close above 1.57, then watch 1.70 next. Invalidation: close below 1.46. H-bar Hedera. Price: 0.1016. Range 0.09643 to 0.1036. Trigger: close above 0.105. Invalidation: close below 0.096. IVAX Avalanche. Price: 9.54. Range 9.01 to 9.72. Trigger: close above 9.72. Then look for the 10 test. Invalidation: close below 9.01. XRP. Price: 1.45. Range 1.35 to 1.47. Trigger: close above 1.47. Then 1.50 is next. Invalidation: close below 1.35. IDI Cardano. Price: 0.2793. Range 0.2593 to 0.2842. Trigger: close above 0.284, then 0.30 is the bigger reclaim. Invalidation: close below 0.259. That is your map, no guessing. Here's what I need to see tonight. BTC, close above 74,000 for breakout confirmation. ETH, close above 2,200 to confirm the reclaim. SOL, close above 94 to open the door to 100. ZEC, close above 250 to confirm continuation. SUI, close above 1.00 to confirm breakout momentum. If you want me to cover one coin first tomorrow, comment it below. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with one friend who keeps guessing instead of charting. Like and subscribe to F&S Millionaires for more updates on crypto markets. Not financial advice, educational only. Charts are probabilities, not promises.